We've had a marvellous day here. So first thing this morning, these children live at Kamala School during term time. So they were up at 5 o'clock and they were so excited about today. And Kata Rocks brought their minibuses to school, a towel and water and orange juice, and already the amazing experience had started. The students have said that they had no idea that there were any resorts like this in Phuket. Perhaps they might see something like this in a movie, so they're in awe. They were shown around the various departments, a villa with a swimming pool in the villa and the most incredible views. They were really also intrigued by, they went to see the chef and how many people work there and all of the equipment that they had in order to cook for guests. It's really opened their eyes, I think, to some opportunities for them. Perhaps before they thought that they could only maybe work in the family business, a stall on the beach, or a little moped with a sidecar. And now they're wondering whether they could actually get a job in a place like Kata Rocks and they could be working here. I really, on behalf of the teachers and the children, we'd really like to thank the Kata Rocks team today. Every single person has been so kind to us, and we've seen that there are so many details that they've thought about to ensure that we're going to have an amazing experience. When we were shown around the various departments, they really took care to explain to every aspect to the children. We have a little menu here today, for example, that has both of our organisation's logos on, and the children were able to choose what they could have for lunch, and this is just everything about today has been a new and exciting experience for them.